Taxes are something most people dread this time of year, although you could actually be keeping more of your money than you expect. Our Ethan Tuttle sat down with a local tax professional who explains the big changes ahead.
Tax season might be a few months away, but tax professional Reachanel Howard says with the new changes coming in 2026, it's important to prepare your tax strategy now. And for once, you might be extra excited about filing this year.
And it's increasing their refunds. I've seen the changes already, just doing some estimates for people in the community.
Howard says new tax provisions in the One Big Beautiful bill could significantly impact your taxes. Several changes include an enhanced child tax credit, auto loan interest deductions, and a major boost to the cap on state and local tax deductions.
The state and local taxes went from $10,000 to $40,000 in 2025. So that means in a state like Louisiana, where our taxes are super high, it might just make sense for someone to itemize their state taxes rather than their local federal taxes on their tax return this year.
There you go. Thank you. Have a good one.
If you work in the service industry or rake in overtime hours, there's a chance you can benefit from the changes. Based on how much you actually make, starting this tax season, service workers can now deduct up to $25,000 in tips. And if you get overtime, you'll be able to deduct up to $12,500.
You want to make sure that this year as a taxpayer, you not only include your W-2 when you're submitting your information to your tax professional, but you include that last check stub just because it looks a little bit different on the W-2. And in order to really make sure you're not taxed on the overtime, we have to be able to see everything. We have a lot of plant workers, a lot of security guards that work a lot of overtime. So I've been telling them to hold off. I know y'all want to send y'all information, but just wait until we get the W-2 so we can make sure we deduct everything that we can this year.
The standard tax deduction gets a 5% bump this year, and families with children will see a slight increase on the child tax credit. Ethan Tuttle, WAFB 9 News.